Welcome back to EduHub Academia, the Education for a Better Future platform. With the physics course, The World of Physics, lecture number 14, to talk about biophysics. We'll start by defining biophysics as that scientific field which integrates principles and methods from physics, chemistry, and mathematics to study living organisms at various levels. What is the purpose of studying biophysics? First, to understand how biological systems function, from individual molecules to entire populations, by exploring the fundamental physical processes that control cellular and organismal activities. Secondly, it involves the development of new tools and technologies for investigating and manipulating biological systems. To mention some of the applications and benefits of the research of biophysics, we'll start by talking about the medicine and biotechnology. It is used to develop new medicines and therapies by studying medicine interactions with biological molecules and applying nanotechnology to develop new nanomaterials for medical delivery. Biophysical techniques like X-ray, crystallography, and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, can create detailed images of biological structures, including the brain, which is useful in medical imaging. Biophysics is also used in bioengineering to design new materials and devices for medical applications such as prosthetic arms and legs. Thank you very much. Looking forward to meeting you next time.